Hello, everyone. Welcome. Benvenuti a tutti. Thanks for tuning in to Rebecca Trades. I've had a few requests to go over Project X, so I have it up here in front of me. This is my account with Top One Futures. Project X is a trading platform, trading software, much like Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, whatever. And more firms are starting to implement it, starting to use it, offer it, whatever wording you want to say. I really love it. I will be straight up and say, don't do bracket orders. I don't do like limit orders, for example. I trade very simply. I'll show you here on Project X, and I also trade my Tradeify accounts directly onto TradingView. It's a lot easier for me to use than Tradeovate. So let's get into Project X. So right here, again, this is my actual account. I have not traded it, so you can see I have a balance of 150K. This is a straight funded account, and then I have a maximum loss limit of $144,000. So this is how the template is. I like it. I don't usually change anything. Sometimes I move like the DOM over to the other side just because I read like left to right. So, I mean, like most people do. So I'd like to place my orders on the left and then watch the chart on the right. I do not do charting on Project X. I do all my charting on TradingView, but I will do the minute chart on here so I can watch it. And that's the only thing. I mean, you have your obvious, like, you can change candles, hollow candles, line, all these things that you can do up here. And then you can save your chart, your layout up here in the top right-hand corner. We have a couple of different places that you can place orders. So you can place it right here on the order. So you can decide if you want to get rid of the order, get rid of time and sales and have a bigger chart like that. I like that. I don't need the time and sales because I watch that on Bookmap. So for me, this is great. I have a big chart in front of me and I can do it and read it this way. I trade right here. So I'll choose 5, sell, buy, for example. And then I don't have a practice account to show you, but when you are in a trade, let me see if I can, no, I can't. So when you're in a trade, you can drag and drop your stop loss and your take profit. It's awesome. Super, super user friendly. And then if you ever get into an issue, you need to flatten all or cancel all. I usually do flatten all. If you also need to get out of a trade, flatten all. Down at the bottom, you can see your accounts, positions, orders, trades, quotes, and spacer. If you are using TradeZella and you want to input your trades into TradeZella, click on trades here, and then there will be let's make this a little bit bigger if I can. I don't have any trades, but if you do, you just press export. It exports as a CSV file, and then you upload that into your Tradeify. Easy peasy. And you can use code Rebecca to get 20% off. Oh, not Tradeify. They're all the same. All these names are the same. TradeZella. You can use 20% off of code Rebecca, blah, 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 to get 20% off at TradeZella. So I don't use any of these charting features, but they're very similar to TradingView. Let's look into copy trading. So under settings, we have copy trading here. You choose your lead account. Your lead account must be your smallest account size. So if you have 150 and a 50K, your 50K needs to be your lead account because the contracts in which you can trade are different, if that makes sense. So in this case, I'll do this one as my lead account, and then I have my follow account here. I don't know why it's not letting me do my other, because they're paused. So there you go. That's how you set it up, and you have all your accounts down there at the bottom, and then you can make them your follow account, save the changes, and now you see clearly that this is my leader, account, and this is my follower account. Oh, you know why? I haven't signed the documentation for that account. That's why. And you actually can only trade 3 accounts at a time, too, just also, with Top One. So that's it. That's how you do it. And if you want to clear like this, if you want to change your risk settings, which I really, really recommend you do, people, okay? You come in here, you put in your personal daily loss limit. Let's say you want it to be like 1,000. Then you want to liquidate and block. Okay, you could enable trailing if you want. You don't have to. So enable trailing. The trailing personal daily loss limit trails the highest balance reached after enablement, allowing for a dynamic drawdown from the most recent peak. Exciting. You can do your personal daily profit target. So for consistency rules, this is amazing. So say it's 20%, you work out whatever that is, say it's $750. Obviously this isn't great risk reward if you're into that, but then you want to liquidate and block. And that's it. You can also do trade limits too if you're like, I only want to allow myself to do 3 trades a day. And then that's it. You scroll down and you have to save. Okay? I'm not going to save that, but just to show you. And then they have a really great journal in here as well. So you can see, again, I haven't taken any trades yet, so not super helpful, but you can see everything at a glance. Nice little tip from your trading coach. Most active day, your most profitable day, least profitable day, all of that, all in here. Your trade duration analysis, your win rate analysis, your monthly P&L. It's great. Super, super helpful. Anything else that's important here? Go back to your trading. No, I think the most important things about Project X are how user-friendly it is, just like this, the copy trading, copy trading. And then you can disable it whenever you want as well. The one thing is that you can't have 2 groups copy trading each other. So you have your one copy trading, say you want to copy trade 2 accounts together and leave one. You can't make like 2 groups here and 2 groups here. And then your risk settings. Okay, you can also do your set up your charts and data a certain way if you're into that. Your privacy, if you want to do streamer mode, so it blocks out your like this, save, like that. Okay, I ain't got nothing to hide. And then you can have your hotkeys, really exciting. And miscellaneous here, so you can have alerts. I take my sound off, and you can change the font size and the background colors. That's it, okay? Really simple overview, really, really simple. If there's anything you want more details on, let me know. I'm happy to make another video, but I hope this is helpful. You can use code Rebecca with Top One Futures for 50% off right now until April 11th. And also, if you use my code, you're entered into a giveaway. I'm giving away 5 50K Elite accounts. I'll be honest with you, compared to most trading gurus, simfluencers, whatever you want to call them, I guess I'm maybe one of them. Should I say that? I don't know. I don't think I have that much influence, but they probably have a lot more sales than I do. So your chances are a lot greater with me if you buy an account with my code, and you'll be entered to win. I'm giving away 5, like I said, on April 11th. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, and let me know if you have any questions or if you found this helpful. I'm really excited to start trading together and to get these accounts up and running. Well, they are up and running, but to get them profitable, All right, thanks everyone. Ciao.